Everything on here, the guns and everything, have all been drawn, 3D model, and then
3D printed.
Then 3D printed.
So is it 172 scale?
Yeah. And that includes the boats. So to make the boats, for example, that captain's boat.
Yeah.
How long do you reckon it took me to draw that up?
I'd say a fair while. But what CAD software, do you mind asking what you use for that?
I use Fusion 360.
Okay, yeah.
And the reason for that is it's free to hobbyists.
Yes.
Yeah. So what did you say? This was diesel electric? The original boat.
Yeah, the original ship.
So where would that affect where they put the motors?
Oh yeah.
So they can put them anywhere.
No, not quite.
Not quite.
But it means that the biggest advantage, of course, is that machinery is lighter.
Yeah.
So the Yanks used to put torpedoes. The Yanks had torpedo tubes up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Brits didn't, because they had actual extra anti-aircraft.
Right. Yeah. So this is based on, what did you say it was?
HMS Bligh.
HMS Bligh. And they're Lendlease.
They were the Lendlease
To England, from the US to England.
in the Second World War.
Second World War, yeah.